here. There's someone on the phone for you. It might be about a job.
Oh, you can't wake a man like that, babe. You want me to tell you why? I'll tell you why. Because now I'm gonna be jumpy all day. You freaking me out like that.
There's a coupon for the copy place on the table. Thought you might get a jump on your resumes.
Hi, welcome to O&B Mattress.
Well, Mandy, you know what's crazy is I'm in need of assistance.
Good one.
But seriously, my name is Mr. Kurt Prentice.
I should warn you, I am not the type who is going to be easily charmed.
I'd never presume.
Sure you would.
What's the deal with his legs?
What do you mean?
His legs. They just kind of dangle around. It doesn't look like he's flying. It doesn't look very cool. Could do something else with his legs? Can his legs do anything cooler? Can we retract them?
Human legs don't retract.
Oh, I got it. What if he does them like he's doing a judo kick?
Good afternoon. Calling for Mr. Kurt Prentice. I'm CFO of an investment group. We're hearing exciting stuff about fantastic technologies. If you wanted to come out to my place, we'd love to learn more about that rocket, though. Chat about opportunities. Do give us a call.
At Fantastic Tech, we guarantee the first thing out of our mind will at Fantastic Tech, we guarantee. In fact, at Fantastic Tech, we guarantee the first thing on our mind will already be outside the box.